In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design banners for your Shopify store using Canva. We're going to walk through starting a new design, picking the right banner size, choosing a template or a blank canvas, adding your text, images, and logo, and then polishing everything with layers, effects, and simple design tricks that make your Shopify banner look professional. First, let's start a new design. Open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, look for the button that says Create a Design in the top right corner and click it. A small menu will open. From here, click on Custom Size. This is important because Shopify banners can have different dimensions depending on where you're going to use them. In the width and height boxes, type in a size that works for your store. A good starting point for a main homepage banner is something like 2048 by 1024 pixels. If you need a more narrow banner, you can try 1200 by 400 pixels. For a more tall and bold hero section, 2400 by 1200 pixels can work well. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then click Create New Design. Canva will open a new tab with a blank canvas in the exact size you entered. Now let's choose a template or a blank canvas. On the left side, you'll see a panel with different options. At the top, there's a search bar. Type banners into the search bar. Canva will show you a range of pre-made banner templates you can use as a starting point. You can scroll through and pick one that matches the style you want for your Shopify store. If you want full control over the design, you can ignore the templates and stick with the blank canvas. Whether you use a template or start from scratch, always apply your brand's colors, fonts, and logo. This keeps your Shopify store looking consistent and professional. If you use a template, update the colors to your brand colors using the color picker at the top. Change the fonts to the ones you use on your store so your banner feels like part of the same brand, not a random design. Next, let's add your content. Start with text. On the left side, click on the Text tab. You'll see options to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Drag or click Add a heading to create your main banner headline. This could be something like New Collection, Summer Sale, or whatever key message you want customers to see first. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to read at a glance. Under that, you can add another text box for offers, like 20% off or free shipping over a certain amount. Then add a simple call to action like Shop Now or Explore Collection. Use a slightly smaller font for the offer and button-style text, and make sure there is enough contrast so everything is readable. Now add images and graphics. Click on the Elements tab on the left to add basic graphics or shapes. To use photos, click on the Photos tab or search directly in the main search bar. Type in keywords related to your products or theme. You can also upload your own product photos, lifestyle images, or brand graphics. To do that, click on the Uploads tab on the left, then click Upload Files and select images from your computer. Once uploaded, drag them onto your canvas and resize or reposition them as needed. From here, add your logo. Go back to the Uploads tab, upload your logo file if you haven't already, then drag it onto your design. Place it where it will be visible but not distracting, usually in a corner or near the main headline. Resize it so it looks balanced with the rest of the design. Now let's enhance your banner with layers and effects. This is where your Shopify banner can really stand out. First, use frames. Click on Elements and scroll until you find the Frames section or type Frames in the search bar. Frames let you drop images into shapes like rectangles, circles, or more creative styles. Drag a frame onto your canvas, resize it, then drag a photo into the frame. The photo will automatically crop to the shape, which helps you create neat sections or image areas. Next, add depth with shadows. Click on a text box or an image, then look for the Edit or Effects option at the top. For text, choose a shadow effect and adjust the blur, transparency, and direction to make the letters stand out from the background. For images, you can sometimes add a drop shadow or duplicate the image, color it darker, place it behind, and offset it slightly to create a simple shadow effect. Use shapes to build structure. Go back to Elements and search for shapes. Drag a rectangle or rounded rectangle onto your banner. You can use this as a background behind text to make your headline or call to action button stand out. Change the color to one of your brand colors and adjust the size so it frames your text clearly. Then place your Shop Now text on top of that shape so it looks like a button. Finally, adjust transparency for overlays and faded backgrounds. Click on any shape, image, or color block, then use the transparency slider in the top right of the Canva interface. Lowering the opacity is useful when you want to place text on top of a busy photo. You can add a semi-transparent dark or light overlay between the image and the text, which makes the text easier to read without losing the background image. When you're happy with your design, preview it by zooming out and checking that everything looks clear and readable. Make sure there's enough space around your text and that nothing important is too close to the edges. Then click Share or Download at the top right, choose PNG or JPG and download your banner. From here, you can upload it to your Shopify store and set it as your homepage banner or section image. That's how to design banners for your Shopify store using Canva, step by step, with the right sizes, on-brand colors, clear text, strong images, and simple effects that make your banner look polished and ready to use.